Welcome back to Become Calisthenics. If you need a new workout routine or want to try something new, give rings a try. Rings are a different type of motion than the bars. Rings will help you bring in control with your body and something new and fun to try. So let's start the workout with ring pull-ups. Stand under the rings and choose either an overhand or underhand hand position. Keep your arms straight and dead hang from the rings. Keep your body very vertical. Pull your chest towards the rings and pause at the top and come back down. Make sure you don't have any swing and want to have full control of your body. This works your back and biceps. This next one is going to be ring dips with leg raises. Dips will target your triceps, chest, and your shoulders. This will help you make your body stronger and very versatile when it comes to your control. The leg raises will help you with your core strength and straight arm strength, which will help with your dips and your core strength. Ring dips also work towards more advanced moves like ring muscle ups if you ever want to go into that route, because whenever you're doing the dips, whenever you do a ring muscle up, when you're pulling up into the motion of the very top, you're going to be doing a dip, and then you're going to come back down in that ring muscle up motion. So ring dips is very helpful towards any movements like ring muscle ups, and the leg raises will help with strengthening your core. Skin the cat is a really great move to do on the rings. Skin the cat not only works your core strength, but also works your straight arm and bent arm strength. Skin the cats also help with progress like front lever and back lever if you ever want to learn those. And whenever you're doing this move, you want to start low when doing the skin the cat. If you're afraid of heights, and work your way towards up. That's why you want to start low, and then as time goes on, you're more comfortable. You can raise the rings up higher and higher and do them in a higher position. Next one is ring biceps to focus on your biceps. Start in an Australian chin-up position, have your legs bent or straight, curl with your biceps in a curling motion to your face. Don't pull straight up because you're not working your biceps. Instead, you're going to be working your chest when doing the Australian pull-ups, and you really don't want that when doing this exercise. So make sure you go in a curling motion to target the biceps when doing the rings. Next workout is going to be Australian pull-ups. This exercise is a great starter when you want to try and get stronger for pull-ups. This workout really works your back and core strength for stabilization. So that is the ring workout, and hopefully when doing these workouts you have fun and it's something that can challenge you. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe for more content like these. Thank you.